Alright, so this is my Trade Genie demat account, and you can see that currently I'm having a loss of close to 2 lakh rupees. A few days back when I took these positions, the loss was close to 3.2 or 3.3 lakh rupees. However, with proper hedge setup, I could book some profits. Still, I've booked few profits today as well. However, the loss is still around 1.92 lakh rupees, and that's okay. Today I want to show you what a trader's nightmare looks like, especially for option writer. You will see few crazy positions. For example, Adani 650 put, I have done option writing minus 625 quantity. I've sold at 10 rupees and it has gone all the way up to 181. I have not booked it yet. Although according to any stop loss or risk management system, I should ideally book the losses here. However, the agenda of this video or this entire tutorial setup would be to teach you how to come out of any position that you're stuck into. So if you're facing big losses, rather than booking it then and there itself, how you can create the spreads and how you can come out of the positions. If I can come out of this position profitably, then you can come out of any position very smoothly with profits. Currently Adani ports is at 474 rupees. It is crashing down after the reports, and when Adani fell down from 800 to close to 700, I thought it will not reach 650, and that was the agenda of shorting at 650 put. But not only 650, it came below 550, it also came to 450 today. Now it has gone up slightly. However, I have done few adjustments, and in that adjustment I could make 4,000 rupees in 400 put, 3,900 in 450 put, 7,000 rupees in 500 call, 12,000 rupees in 600 call. So overall I think I've made close to 28-30,000 rupees here. Apart from that, I'm getting around 17,000 rupees currently in 380 put short, and there is a small loss of 1,000 rupees here, and right now I am facing a loss of close to 1 lakh rupees in 650 put. Now these are the spreads that I have created. Apart from that, there is one more place where I've stuck, that is Bank Nifty 40,000 put. I've sold few lots at 130 rupees. Few days back it went all the way up to 2,000 rupees. Now since the market has gone slightly up from 2,000, it has come back to 500. But yes, I was facing a loss of close to 1 lakh rupees here also. And to hedge it out, I took a 4,000 call at 1,000 rupees. 1,180. Right now it is at 1,484. Cumulatively they are giving me a loss of close to 95,000 rupees. So I will also create spreads on the call and put of Bank Nifty and try to come out of these positions as well. So in my course I am going to teach you how exactly you can come out of such positions profitably, if not profitably, at least cost to cost or with a very small losses. Now these kind of losses can occur especially when you have done some sort of option writing or some big position and you have not managed it. You have failed to square off your position on time, or if you're traveling and you're not observing your portfolio constantly. I was traveling to Jodhpur, Jaipur, Ahmedabad for the last 12 days. I took few positions, I could not monitor them. Then I got into such losses. So now instead of booking them, I'm just holding them up. So in this course, as we go ahead, today is 2nd of Feb, I am going to update every single day what's going to happen with my positions day wise and what adjustments I'm going to do every day, and based upon those adjustments how much losses can be minimized. So see you in the course, and I hope this loss of minus 1,85,000 recovers. My account value is 25 lakh rupees. So I have 25 lakh rupees in this account, and in 25 lakh I'm actually losing close to 2 lakh rupees, which is approximately 7 to 8% of my principal is going down. But I hope I will be able to recover the losses. So see you in the course.